Yo, let's do an unboxing.
Big Sife.
Fat Man Scoop, Brooklyn Clan. What's up, y'all? This is Fat Man Scoop. And right now, you watching the sensei, the number one, the king, my dude, Big Brando. He taught me, personally, me, Fat Man Scoop. All you gotta do is keep your mouth closed and your ears open. Listen to the man talk. That's knowledge personified right there. And I wouldn't trust nobody else but my dude, Big Brando. And I said it. Fat Man Scoop, Big Brando. Let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Boy, Big Brando, and today let's do an unboxing from the homies over at Hawaii's Finest. Now, this is coming from their new store in Kapolei called The Collective. So what we're gonna do is take the camera, point it down, open up this poly mailer, and let you know what's exactly inside. All right, so here we go. Let's cut into this thing. Got that little slice blade that has the little porcelain blade in there. Doesn't cut you up. See it touching my skin, blade's up there. Bingo. First thing we got right here is the Mililani t-shirts. This thing is dope. Screen printed the tag in there. Take that price sticker off. Tag is screen printed. Got their Hawaii's Finest logo. There's their website, 3X. The back of the shirt, Hawaii's Finest logo. But the front of the shirt is that Mililani logo in brown and yellow. This is the school colors. If you know, you know. Really clean what they did right here. They locked down all the cities. I got these shirts right here for my family members that are from Mililani. Also got a shirt for my wife. And that is this Kalihi shirt right here. My wife and her family are from Kalihi. Had to pick this one up for her. Once again, screen printed neck tag. Hawaii's Finest logo on the back. And the city printed on the front. What's dope about these shirts, feels like it's screen printed. So what they did right here is to get this gradient was they used the dot pattern. So it's solid up here, red. And then the dots start to open up and get bigger as it goes to the bottom. They use the shirt black as the second color, so it gives it that gradient look throughout the print. They did the same exact thing with this Mililani one. Obviously, this is a 2-color or actually 3-color design. There's brown at the bottom, yellow, there's a yellow stroke and a white stroke. But same exact thing was solid yellow. The dots get bigger as they get to the bottom, and then it's filled in with brown. Gives it that gradient look. What they did with this shirt was, it's just a 2-color design. White stroke all the way around with red, and then the black, they just used the t-shirt black. So all this drop shadow in here is the actual t-shirt and not ink. And then they use solid red, and then as the dots open up and get bigger, it creates that gradient pattern. Let's try to get you a little closer look. Shout out to Kalihi, shout out to Mililani, shout out to the homies over at Hawaii's Finest. And like I said, I got these for some other people. There's 2 extra Mililani shirts in here for family members. We got that Kalihi one, and we got that Mililani one. These guys are dope, man. They locked down every city, and they did it the right way. Clean design. They used the right appropriate colors. Everything works for these things. So if I was going to a Mililani football game, I could pick this shirt up right here, wear it to the game, and rep for the team. This was my thought process when I was thinking about doing this, and this is the exact reason why I did it for the city of Gardena. Was the same exact reason. People are proud to be where they're from, whether they live there now or they moved out of there. So it's an easy call to do this right here for whatever city you're from, whatever city you come from, whatever city you currently live in. there are people that are born and raised in that city and proud to be from that city. And there you have it. If you're ever on Oahu, make sure you go check out Hawaii's Finest. They got a store in Ala Moana. They have a store in Kapolei, and the Collective is in Kapolei at their old flagship stores location. So they have the Collective in there, and they also have the Hawaii's Finest store right across the way. What they're doing over there is dope to me, especially with these city shirts. I've shown you guys that this thing works. When I was running Gardena Originals, it was just for the city of Gardena. But you got to remember, a lot of people take pride in the cities that they live in. When you do that, you could capitalize on that. There's money to be made there. Your brand doesn't have to be fully built around that. But like these guys over at Hawaii's Finest, they lock down all the cities. As you've seen, Mililani, Kalihi, they had Nanakuli, Ewa, Waianae, they had them all locked down. And I've been saying this for a very long time. I even mentioned it in some old videos. If nobody was gonna do it, I was gonna drop some hats and do the same exact thing. I was gonna drop some brown hats with a yellow M for Mililani, some blue hats with the red W for Waianae, red hats with the white K for Kalihi. I was gonna knock it down the same exact way that they're doing it with these t-shirts. I was thinking about doing it with the hats because I didn't see nobody out there doing it. So I'm glad somebody's out here doing it. So once again, I appreciate the homies from Hawaii's Finest for holding it down out there. I think it's dope what they're doing. I love the growth. And I'll be back on Oahu soon, so I'll make sure to jump into the Collective store, get some footage for you guys and show you guys what they're actually offering. I think it's dope what they're doing over there, especially when it comes to offering a lot of the custom stuff. DTG, Embroidery, they're doing a lot of stuff out of that space. And I think it's cool, man. So if you want to check them out, make sure you check out the Collective and check out Hawaii's Finest. I'm gonna leave the links for everything, social medias, the website, all that stuff in the description box. If you guys got any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.